We don't have to begin in Power Apps to actually create a Power App. A SharePoint has Power Apps integrated into its lists and document libraries. Right here on the toolbar. If you'd like to work along with me, choose any SharePoint list that you might be interested in seeing as a mobile app. Mobile apps are the reason that SharePoint Power users and developers abandon InfoPath for Power Apps, because with InfoPath, we couldn't easily create mobile applications. With Power Apps, we can. This is a list of core products that we have available at Kinetico. The columns are category, item, name, SKU, what's availability, and units available. And I'm going to create an app right here in SharePoint. Choose Power Apps, create an app. We're prompted first to provide a name. I could call this Core Products, but the people who are using it generally come to this list to check availability. So I'm going to call it Product Availability. The name is not already used by an app in this environment, so I'm allowed to create it. SharePoint is loading Power Apps, and we'll begin creating our application. As always, we will get a browse screen, a detail screen, and an edit screen in the app that is created, which we could then customize. And here we are. Let's preview the app. Click the play button. Here are our products. And notice that the form factor here is for a phone. I can search. If I want to look at a particular item, I can click and see its cost, its retail, its SKU. This is looking good. If I want to delete a product or edit a product, I could do that. Clicking Edit opens the edit screen. And that's pretty slick. Let's leave the preview. If I wish to edit the items that are listed in the detail screen, I can. It's a gallery. So I can select the gallery as a whole. It has a particular layout, which is title, subtitle, and body, but I can edit it to display different fields. For example, the subtitle is the item name, the title is the category, and the body is the SKU number. But what I might want to have is the body is a different field. For example, I might actually want to list whether it's available, is it in stock or out of stock. So I have category, specific item, and availability. Now, if I wished, I could put the item name first. And then I could put the category. And when I make those simple changes, I'll make this a little larger so you can see it. Notice that now I have my core products, the item, its category, and whether it's in stock or backordered. If I wish, I can add new screens to my application. Remember that the template app that we created first had 8 or 9 screens. The apps that we create with this method will always give us 3, but we could add a splash screen. If we wish, we could add some informational screens. For example, we might want to have a screen that users could click to put in a request to find out a date for a back-ordered item, for example. And those are all types of customization, what I can do here in the Power App Studio. Remember, for this app, I've started in SharePoint, and in a very short length of time, I have a mobile application that I could then check, that I could save and share with others after customizing it here in Microsoft Power Apps.